Do your upstairs neighbors treat their floor like a bowling alley? Does your lawn feel more like a public park? Today's inventions speak one powerful language, the language of inconvenience. It's time to bring order with tech that teaches manners the hard way. Do your neighbors constantly cut through your lawn like it's a shortcut, or treat your yard like a free dog park? It's time to bring in a guard that's both clever and refreshing, the Aqua Joe Sprinkler. For just around $25 this isn't your average garden sprinkler. It's equipped with a timer and a motion sensor, turning it into a vigilant protector for your outdoor space. Day or night, the Aqua Joe spins a full 360 degrees, ready to soak any uninvited guests with powerful water streams reaching up to 13 meters. Whether it's a curious raccoon sniffing around or a bold neighbor testing boundaries, this surprise shower is an instant reminder to respect your space. The best part? It's non-aggressive but highly effective, teaching manners without confrontation. Imagine the look on someone's face when they step onto your lawn and suddenly get a cool splash in return. It's like a playful, yet firm, stay off sign that works every time. So if you're tired of people trampling your grass or pets turning your garden into their personal playground, this simple but smart sprinkler might just be your new best friend. And don't go anywhere, because the next invention is about to take outdoor security to a whole new level you won't believe. Cactus Fence is a silent but powerful way to say no to uninvited guests without uttering a single word. These aren't metal spikes, but don't be fooled. Made of durable plastic, they're sharp and sturdy enough to stop even the most agile cat from climbing across your fence. For those neighbors who just can't resist tossing trash over or sneaking a peek into your yard, this is the ultimate deterrent. Once installed along the top of your fence, the cactus strips send a clear message. This boundary is not to be crossed. The beauty? It doesn't provoke conflict. It removes the temptation altogether. There are no arguments, no awkward conversations, just pure, passive protection that speaks volumes. And it's surprisingly affordable. A pack of 10 strips, covering 13.5 meters, costs just $10, a small price to pay for preserving your peace and privacy. Whether it's nosy neighbors, stray animals, or curious kids, Cactus Fence is your quiet guardian. Think this is smart? The next invention cranks up the boundary game even further, with something that watches, reacts, and even fights back. You won't want to miss it. Fake TV is the perfect trick against overly curious neighbors, a clever illusion that protects your privacy without a fuss. This device mimics the warm glow of a real television, automatically turning on at dusk and cycling through colors in a way that looks completely natural. The idea is simple but brilliant. Make an empty apartment or house look lived in, fooling anyone who might be tempted to snoop or judge your absence. You can even set up multiple fake TV units glowing in different rooms to create the illusion of activity. Imagine casually telling neighbors you live alone, then leaving several of these lights on while you're out. Let them wonder what's going on inside, while you enjoy peace of mind knowing your home looks occupied and secure. According to the makers, even test participants struggled to tell fake TV apart from an actual television. It's a low-cost, hassle-free way to keep nosy neighbors guessing and your space protected. If you think that's clever, wait until you see what's next. A smart invention that protects your home from prying eyes and keeps your peace intact. Stay tuned. In one unforgettable episode of the Grand Tour, Jeremy Clarkson, Richard Hammond, and James May launched a Citroën C3 Pluriel from a Trebuchet. Yes, an actual medieval war machine. With a countdown and a dramatic launch, they sent the car flying across the field with a little CGI magic, smashing it into a distant building. Epic? Absolutely. Now imagine channeling that same dramatic energy into a neighborly feud. Picture it, 2 30-kilogram hay bales, or even a piano, soaring over the fence like a grand, melodic protest. The actual trebuchet used in the show is rumored to be one of the largest in the world, capable of flinging serious weight over incredible distances. If you're going to send a message, why not do it with style and maybe a little music? Of course, we're joking. Really. We do not recommend launching furniture, hay bales, or musical instruments at your neighbors, no matter how annoying they may be. But hey, The idea sure makes for a satisfying fantasy when the leaf blower fires up at 7 a.m. on a Saturday. And if you thought that was over the top, wait until you see our next invention. Legal, clever, and far less likely to land you in medieval court. Don't go anywhere. Your neighbor's endless renovations sound like a construction site right next door. Or maybe a wannabe rock band has taken over the block. Perhaps the kids next door treat your walls like their personal playground, running and shouting all day long. If that sounds familiar, relief is closer than you think. Meet Denoise, the smart window system designed to bring you back to peace and quiet. These aren't your ordinary windows. They're equipped with special Denoise glass, paired with clever acoustic modules that work like noise-canceling headphones for your home. Instead of pumping music into your ears, they create an invisible shield of silence. How? The modules listen to the outside noise and make the glass vibrate in exact reverse, causing the unwanted sounds and anti-sounds to cancel each other out. The result? Up to 90% reduction in outside noise, turning the chaos of drills, shouting, or blaring music into near silence. It's like having a personal soundproof bubble around your home without bulky walls or expensive renovations. Denoise gives you back your sanity and your space, letting you enjoy your home without constant interruptions. If you thought silence was impossible in a noisy neighborhood, think again. These windows are proof that peace can be engineered. And trust me, the next invention will keep your yard secure in the coolest, most unexpected way. Stay tuned. Thick, durable, and incredibly effective, Fence Screen does more than just block prying eyes. It turns your yard into a peaceful sanctuary. Made from heavy-duty polypropylene fabric, this screen doesn't just keep nosy neighbors from peeking into your home, it also muffles noise, creating a quiet retreat you actually deserve. Need a large barrier? No problem. Fence Screen can create custom-sized screens, like a massive 3.5-meter shield, that even the boldest neighbor would think twice about climbing. Want to make a statement? You can print custom images or messages directly on the fabric, turning your fence into a personal billboard for privacy, or a cheeky warning. Choose your level of opacity from 80% to 100%, depending on how much you want to block out. Built to withstand extreme weather, anything from freezing at 26 degrees to scorching 49 degrees, these screens are made to last, with an average lifespan of around 5 years. Fence Screen is a quiet but powerful way to protect your space, combining privacy, sound reduction, and style in one smart package. If you think your yard deserves more than just a fence, this is your upgrade. And just when you think your privacy game is unbeatable, the next invention is ready to revolutionize how you deal with unwanted visitors. Stay tuned. Imagine your lawnmower, but not just any mower. This one is a predator, designed to hunt down those pesky neighbors who just won't respect your space. Sure, you could mess with their lawn using a regular mower like this one from Works, but why settle for ordinary when you can bring in the bolder enforcer? This next-generation tracked robot patrols your yard like a watchdog on wheels, ready to neutralize any rowdy neighbor threats. Equipped with a built-in camera and a remote control with a color screen, you're in full command from a distance. And here's the kicker. It comes armed with a Nerf blaster, complete with a drum magazine holding up to 35 rounds for precise, harmless shots. It's not just about mowing grass. It's about reclaiming your peace and order with style and a little bit of fun. This robotic enforcer costs around $1,757, but for those who value their privacy and quiet, it's a small price to pay for an automated guardian on patrol. So, if your neighbors keep cutting through your yard or turning your peaceful retreat into a playground, this robot might just be the upgrade you've been waiting for. But don't go anywhere. Up next is a surprisingly simple invention that will turn any outdoor space into a fortress of privacy and quiet. Stay tuned. If you've had it up to here with your noisy neighbors, the endless drilling, shouting, and late-night parties, it's time to fight back smarter, not louder. Meet the Annoyatron, a clever $70 kit designed to drive even the most unshakable neighbor to question their sanity. This isn't just any noisemaker. It includes 3 tiny devices that mimic the most irritating sounds imaginable. Clicks, meows, knocks, and even eerie child laughter that seems to come from nowhere. Here's the twist. You don't need to blast these sounds all day. Just sneak one device into their space, hide it well, and let it do its magic. Powered by a fresh battery, it runs for up to a month, continuously haunting them with subtle, unexplained noises. Imagine your neighbor hearing mysterious knocks or ghostly giggles, wondering if they're losing their mind. It's a psychological thriller unfolding right next door, and you hold the remote. The Annoyatron isn't about causing harm. It's about sending a message with a little bit of mischief and a lot of satisfaction. Perfect for those desperate to reclaim peace but want to keep things light and playful. So, tempted to give your neighbors a taste of their own medicine? Let us know in the comments. And remember, if you start hearing strange noises yourself, maybe you're the next target. Can you hear me? Oh my God, is that a ghost?